Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan lip gloss. First, gather your essential vegan ingredients. You'll need plant-based waxes like candelilla or carnauba, nourishing oils such as jojoba or sweet almond, and natural colorants like mica powder. Ensure all components are certified cruelty-free and completely free from animal-derived products. Precise measurements are key for achieving the perfect texture and consistency, so have your measuring tools ready. This ensures a beautiful, ethical product. Next, let's move to the melting and mixing phase. Gently melt your solid ingredients, like 1 tablespoon of candelilla wax, using a double boiler to prevent burning. Once melted, gradually incorporate 2 tablespoons of liquid oils, such as jojoba or sweet almond oil, into the wax. Stir continuously and slowly until the mixture is completely smooth and all components are fully combined. This careful process ensures a consistent and luxurious base for your lip gloss. Now for the fun part, adding color and flavor. Introduce natural colorants like 1/4 teaspoon of mica powder or beetroot powder to achieve your desired hue. For scent and taste, add about 5 to 10 drops of food-grade essential oils or flavor oils, such as peppermint or vanilla. Before pouring, test a small amount on a cool surface to check the color and consistency. This allows for any final adjustments to perfect your custom gloss. Finally, it's time for pouring and the finishing touches. Carefully pour the warm lip gloss mixture into clean, sterilized lip gloss tubes or small containers. Fill them almost to the top, leaving a little space. Allow the lip gloss to cool completely at room temperature for several hours, typically 2 to 3 hours, to ensure it sets properly. Once solid, cap the containers tightly and store your beautiful, homemade vegan lip gloss in a cool, dry place for extended shelf life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.